Welcome back to Tool Time. And I'm Tim L. No, I'm not. Welcome back to Olaf's Oldtimer. Today I want to take a look at this speaker, which you can't see on the left side, which does not give any sound at all, from this radio, which is not quite period correct, but my friend Thomas, he installed it for me and it works quite fine on the right hand speaker. And why did I believe I'm presenting Tool Time? Because it feels like it. Whenever I prepare to fix something on the car, I have to look for all my tools, which are partly in the garage, partly in the kitchen, partly in the basement. So now let's take a look at my selection of tools. I hope I will be fine with this set. Here's some more screwdrivers. Here I can check if there's anything, any electricity arriving at the speaker, and if that does not show me anything, I have an old speaker. This is actually still the box from the replacement speakers for the W201. Those wouldn't fit here, but if the speaker looks in fine condition and is connected properly, I want to try out the system with these old speakers, which are not sounding good, but at least they give some noise and they have the correct voltage. So let's start to get the screws out here, and I hope you can see it a bit with my professional tool set here. Just checking the bits. And as you notice, I'm not properly prepared. I didn't check this out first before. This is not too bad. This looks fine. And I don't want to break anything. It works fine. So it went faster than I thought. Not that complicated. The question is, how easy is it to lose those screws when you take out this little lid? Okay. Nice. Nice. Looks like somebody was in here before, because this goes so easy. As I can't see it from inside, I need to go outside. Do you see this? It's just loose. Now I better get back inside. This cable is fixed properly. This one is fixed properly. So let's give some juice to the radio. Tja, so what shall we do next? Check with a different speaker or measure the voltage coming in. So, figure to get these old speakers out. Don't look too bad. So let's move back over here. Oh, yeah. Always good to be prepared with some nice tools. It's a bit magnetic. The good thing is you have a small... yeah, of course, cables are long enough so I can pull this out. We got a broader one for the plus side, marked with a red cable, and a smaller one for the minus. By the way, I don't know if you could see that. It's definitely not good anymore. It's broken. But at least it should give any sound. But we will check this out. So, let's see what we got. The radio's off. That's good. So, and you can see you can't see anything at all. As I said, tool time, all tools at hand. So what I want to do is to actually measure if something is here. Is here where, if we have any power at all. So I need to open this bag. Sorry. Yep. This is what I want. Number one. Can you still see this? Is it already broken? No. Huh. It's a rather loose fit. Oh yes, it's broken. Okay, but let's not worry about that too much, because I can click this one to the plus and then set this to auto mode for idiots like me. Can you see it on the dial? It's on auto, on smart, and then I will turn on the radio again. but probably I won't. Well, whatever probably I wanted to do, at this time I actually turned on the radio. But obviously I violated some creators' rights or copyrights. Whatever I did, YouTube did not publish this video. So to get this online, I had to delete all the passages where I turned on the radio, be it some music playing in the background or some talking from a guy in the radio. For the upcoming sections, when the radio is on, I'll probably just add some music here from the computer. Just now I wanted to take a chance and give you a hint why this is the way it is. As you can see in the background, I am measuring, I don't remember correctly, voltage or resistance or both. And all those readings didn't tell me anything at all. So you don't really miss anything. Just a short explanation from my side. I hope you haven't turned off yet, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you, guys. And when I turn it off, I get exactly the same. So whatever that means, I don't know. I'll take off this wonderful clamp because maybe it's a smarter way to just read it when contacting it. Oh, same thing. All I wanted to know is some currency arriving here? I will try it with the next speaker because, as I said, I'm not 100% sure how good these are. So give me a second. Hardly visible for you, but different set of speakers. Not a set, a different speaker. And we will measure. My little voltage meter is going berserk. I'm a bit afraid that the radio doesn't work anymore. Let's see how the setting is on the radio, because that might also mean it was not turned on properly. Fading. Balance. It's fully balanced. I think I should measure if the reading changes when I change the setting. Huh. I need 3 hands now. I don't know, folks. What do you think? Any good ideas for me? I think I will look at the cable next. After having proven my professionalism and displaying that I'm too stupid to read a voltmeter, I decided another approach, which is first measuring the speaker. I do have the sticker here, I'll show you in a second. So it is 13 something centimeters wide, and the cone, the inner circle, is 10 centimeters wide. Plus I have the original sticker, which gives me the resistance of the speaker, 4 ohm, 30 watts maximum. And my great idea is to just try the system out. The speaker is broken anyway, the sound isn't too great, so I will buy a set of new speakers. I think they're not too expensive, and I think I will go for the Alpine set because my experience with the W206 was good. I will order those, stick them in, and as we could see, sorry, easily done. If it still doesn't work, bye-bye radio or the cables. And the issue is to check out the cables, we need of course to pull the radio out, which means I have to unscrew this ashtray. It's really tight in here, the radio, really tight, so it's unfortunately not too easy to pull it out. It was easy to stick it in, but I'm not sure I really have the proper tools for this one. So I think I will push it out from beneath. Maybe it's solved with the new speakers. If not, new radio and a set of new cable. But I think I can't really believe that these cables are broken in there. I just don't believe it. So for now I will stick this old speaker in again. So at least the cables, in case some voltage is going through those cables, we are not getting in any trouble and shortening out the radio. So I will just slide the speaker back in, order a new set of speakers, and then be my guest in a future video when I try to install them. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.